about how to optimize the big app. Okay, so something called lazy loading, chunking, bundling. So we use this term for the optimization purpose. So you can see here, this is the our small app. Okay, right? So let me reload this. So the app is actually too much small, so it is taking too much less time, only 47 ms. Okay, but you can see, don't see these things are actually not from the extension. These things are coming from the extension. You can see our main bundle is this one from the localhost. So this bundle is actually, what is this bundle? This bundle, all the code which are present in our which are present, that is bundled together in one JS file, in only one JS file. Okay, so let us suppose if any big website is, everything is here. You can just see, just for cross check, just see, type home. Okay, you can see there is a home. Okay, let us suppose if our app is big, if our app is too much of big, just take an example of this website. Okay, so there are too much of things, like hotels are there, holidays are there, buses are there. Okay, so there are too much of things are there. Okay, so when we go from flight to hotels or holidays, different components are there. So let us suppose if we load this thing in single shot, if bundled together everything, one big JS file is there. So one big JS file is there. So it will take much time to load. So how much your file is big, how much your file is big, that much of time required to load. We have seen here. Okay, we have seen here that much of time is required to load. Just see how much the size is big, that much of time is required to load. So let us suppose there is a one just I have created one uh, one another tab, company. Okay, so when we click on that company tab, so there are many things are there. So what we want, that this company should have another bundle, just like the whole bundle. Now the we have a whole bundle. So when we click on this company should have another bundle. This company should have one another bundle. Everything of the company related files should be bundled inside this, and this should be present on demand. On demand means when when user click on that, at that time it should be present, at that time it should be present. So this is called chunking, this is called dynamic bundling, this is called code splitting. We are splitting the code, we are splitting the code. So how can we do this? Is also called on demand loading, this is called lazy loading. All these terms are same. Okay, so how can we do that? So let me code it. Okay, so first we need to go here, header. Okay, let to me right, actually I think this is not there. Okay, okay. So header, let me, yeah, see, so we have a company, so I have just added the company. So let me create one path for company. So just paste it, company in app.tsx. We need to create one path, and we need to company. Okay, so we need to import it. So we need to create one file for that, company .js. So this file should present on demand. This file should going to present at on demand, means when the user click on that, at that time this file should chunk and come up. Okay, how can we create that chunking? How can we create that lazy loading? That is called lazy loading. So now come up here in app.js. So this one is the company. So we have we now we are going to create that. Let me do it here. So const com create company equal to something we are going to use called lazy. Okay, called lazy. So this lazy is basically coming from React, and this is a callback, and we are going to create a function with import. So this import has this import is different from this, different from this import. So here we need to pass this path of that. Let me create first path. Company has already created path. Okay, I think we have not imported. Let me first import that. Mm, let me let me just mm, hide that and first import this path. Okay, so now let me open. So now, so this company has this path. Okay, so we are going to import at demand. So let me do one thing. This should be present at demand. Okay, so let me just, we don't require this now because we are going to get this at on demand. Let us check that, is it present at demand, is it present, is it going to present at demand. So let us go here. So see, there is bundle.js. Let me create, let me click on the company. So let me create on the company. So when we click on the company, so something is going to, oops, something went wrong. Don't think about that. So see, source, this is present on demand, source company chunk.js. Okay, so you are not going to find the code which are present inside the source company inside the bundle. Now this is different bundle we have created, and this is taking 29 ms. So what happened actually, we have created another bundle, we have created another bundle. So so what is, why this happened actually. So when we click on that company page, so what happened at that time, what happened at that time, it reloads, it just like it just like taking the time, so taking the time to load, to render. That's why it does not find the path and it's showing the, oops, something went wrong. Okay, so for that React have given us something called suspense. So we can use the sus suspense. So suspense, we are getting this suspense also from React. Okay, oh sorry, let me, so we can just put company inside the suspense. Okay, and this suspense should also come from, this suspense should also come from React. Let me import that from React. Okay, React. And second thing, we can pass a fallback here, fallback also here. At the time of loading, we want to show something, just like we are showing a shimmer effect, we are showing a empty skeleton. Okay, so something we need to show, so we can show fallback. We can use the fallback when we are creating the chunk. At that time, we are going to use the fallback. So what is fallback, is just like a placeholder. Okay, just like a placeholder. So let us create one. You can add anything here, just like shimmer effect also, but I am just writing loading low, just h1, create h1, and this is going to load. So loading. So let us check. Okay, so see, this file should going to present in, let us go to the home page first. Okay, so let me split it, because our file currently we are not going to show that loader. When we click on this, it is available, the file should going to present at on demand. Yeah, it is working fine. And you can see this has different chunk, this has different chunk. But we let us suppose we want to see that. Let me throttle to slow 3G. Okay, and go here. Let me first throttle to no throttling. Go to the home page, and now throttle slow 3G, and now come to the company. So let me clear this and click on this. Still I am not getting that. Let me refresh the page. Okay, we are in here only. Let me go to the home page, already present. Let me refresh the page again, once again. So everything is bundled here now. Oh, let me go to the slow 3G. Okay, let me check here. go to the company. Yeah, see, loading is coming. Okay, then the our file loaded. At that time, loading is coming, and once the file is loaded or once the file is rendered, that loading is gone. So that is fallback actually. So this is called chunking, bundling, code splitting, lazy loading. Go and implement in your app. It is nice, right? Just practice and give the thing in the interview. Thank you.